Welcome back to my channel, My Mini Green World. Today we have something very special for you, an unboxing of the brand new DJI Mini Pro 4. This little marvel of technology will be our faithful companion on our upcoming trip to Malaysia, where we'll be creating stunning hyperlapse videos for you right in the heart of Borneo's jungle. One of the highlights of this drone is its weight of just 249 grams, meaning we don't need a drone license to fly it. But don't let its size fool you. The DJI Mini Pro 4 is a full-fledged 4K camera that flies. With features like follow mode and hyperlapse, combined with its impressive quietness, it's the perfect tool for wildlife filming, offering us numerous advantages. In addition to this little powerhouse, I will also be taking two DJI FPV racer drones, the Avatar, to complete our equipment and present you with even more spectacular footage. A huge thank you goes to Globeflight for the years of fantastic support with all kinds of DJI products. Their help allows us to continuously explore new frontiers and create unique content for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to see more exciting adventures and practical tips for photo and video during your travels and nature experiences. Your support is hugely motivating and helps us keep discovering fascinating worlds for you. Let's dive into this new adventure together.